Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add journal entry on StoryGraph. Let's get started. First, open the StoryGraph app on your iPhone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, you are ready to read. At the bottom of your screen, tap on Journal. In the top right corner, tap the plus button. This will open new journal entry page. When you can start typing your journal entry, you can write anything like your thoughts about a book, favorite quotes, how to book made you feel. You can also link the entry to a specific book if you want. Once you are done with writing, tap save. Your journal entry is now stored in your StoryGraph journal, and that's it. That's how you add a journal entry on StoryGraph using an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.